Hello, my name is Summer Gibson and I created the Lesson Picker. Our motto is pick your perfect lesson one petal at a time. The intended audience of this application are teachers and educators, possibly even college education students trying to find lessons for their projects. The outcomes for this application are to find grade-appropriate lessons, to share your own lessons with other teachers and to get feedback, as well as collaborate with other teachers to make solid lesson plans. This app is rated 5 out of 5. It is free. This application is K-12, and it features clickable menus that help you find your perfect lesson plan. It aligns with Common Core and uses multimedia platforms to enhance any of your lessons. You find the material through your grade level needs and appropriate standards. The design looks similar to these phones that you see here. The first is your welcome screen, and on the home screen what you're going to do is you're going to pick a grade, and when you pick your grade it becomes a petal. So you'll see there are 3 different grades and one is a petal. That is the one that has been selected. You can also choose a single or bundle lesson. So for the single, you will choose the single flowers, and the bundle, you will get multiple subjects. Here on the right is an example of the single, and as you can tell with the red petal, that is the flower that had been selected. So that grade-specific standard is going to be the one that is worked on. And then this is going to be your bundle page where you select multiple different subjects. And then here you can search. It will have a search tool where you can search for tags. So if you're trying to find a short lesson, a blended learning lesson, or a geometry lesson, you will find different grade level lessons that have been tagged with those tags. Finally, this is going to be the menu page where you can see your own lessons, your shared lessons, lessons that have been shared with your school, your account, and your settings in the logout. So as you can see in the phone in the middle, that's going to be the My Lessons tab, and that's where you can work on your own lessons. The one next to it is going to be the shared lessons, and those are going to be ones that you work and collaborate with fellow teachers, peers, or students if you are a current student. Finally, that's going to have uploadable templates, so you can upload your template and work on different multimedias. That's why there's different colors under the initial folder. And then you can also search by your state, which will be the other option that it has down here on the bottom where it says your state with the blue flower. And that is it. So again, just to recap, Lesson Picker is an easy navigational school tool for teachers. You can navigate in your own school, you can navigate through other teachers, and you can essentially get different ideas to draw from. You can create your own lessons and see what else is out there. So I hope you like it, and thank you for watching.